Now let us verify the 136 question. For which one of the following Bohr model is not valid? We know that Bohr's model is valid only for singly bonded electron. That means which species having only one electron, then Bohr's model is applied. Hydrogen atom which contains 1s1, that means single electron. Here Bohr's model is applied. Singly ionized helium atom, that means helium plus helium having the atomic number 2, its electronic configuration is 1s2 but positive charge, that means 2 electron minus 1 electron, it gives rise to 1 electron. Option 2 also exhibited by the Bohr's model. Now let us see the deuterium. Deuterium also containing only 1 electron. So Bohr's model is applied to option 3. Now let us verify the fourth one. This is singly ionized neon. Neon, that means atomic number is 10 electrons minus 1 electron. It becomes 9 electrons. Here Bohr's model is valid only for singly bonded electrons. Here neon positive containing 9 electrons. That's why Bohr's model is not valid for option 4. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer.